Live from Chicago, this is Fox News.
There's a new way to treat strains and sprains, bruises, even help with recovery after surgery. Margaret Shortridge joins us with a story in tonight's Fox Family and Health Report. Margaret, take it away.
All right, thanks very much, Byron. It may be one of the best kept secrets in sports medicine, and it's not going to be a secret anymore. It's a high-tech device used by the pros like the Chicago Bears and the Bulls that helps players get back on their feet faster after an injury. And now it is available to everyone, from star athletes to weekend warriors. We've seen the gut-wrenching plays, collisions, strong, tough athletes doubled over in pain, sports arenas silent in despair. Injury after injury, the pros make triumphant returns with the help of top surgeons, trainers, and possibly this little red box. Introducing the Game Ready Accelerated Recovery System. It combines cold and compression therapy to help in the healing process.
That combination has been a tremendous benefit for both the professional athlete as well as our patients.
The Chicago Bears use it and say they like it. Bulls players use it too, like forward DARIUS SONGAILA.
Knee to knee, just got bumped in the knee, had some little inflammation, a little swelling, and wasn't going down with anti-inflammatories. And so, I needed to ice it constantly.
He uses it to ease his aches and pains.
It works better than ice.
We use it quite a bit. It's been very valuable with our athletes, especially in their acute injuries.
So the players really hate sitting out with an injury.
For an athlete, they don't want to sit in the training room. They don't want to sit on the bench. They want to be participating. This helps. This helps them get back on the court.
And if it helps the pros, it can help the average Joes. Stuart White had one knee operation a few months ago.
It was 2 weeks on the couch, lying down, not doing anything.
Last week, he had another surgery.
How's it been?
It's been very good.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, very little pain.
But the recovery? A whole different ball game.
This time has been unbelievable.
You feel the effect?
Straight away. So it's actually squeezing the whole knee from sort of all the way down, all the way up, and then you feel the cold, and then the pressure releases and the pressure comes back.
The system reduces swelling, minimizes pain, and prevents further tissue damage.
If we can reduce the swelling and reduce the discomfort that the patient experiences, they're able to get up much faster.
And take fewer pain pills.
This time I've hardly taken any medication.
There are specific wraps for the ankle, calf, knee, back, hip, shoulder, elbow, and wrist.
I do love my golf. I have a passion for golf. I have a big tournament arranged in April. My goal is to get back onto the golf course first week in April.
Darius's goal? To stay in the game.
During the season, you can't avoid the nicks and bruises and bumps, and you're always going to have that. The only way to get better if you stop playing completely. So you need that ice all the time, and Game Ready gives me that.
Many Bulls players bought their own at about $3,500 a pop, but for the rest of us, in many cases, insurance covers it post-injury or after surgery. It covers a rental, of course, not buying it. And the patients get lessons on how to use it, so you can check with your doctor if you're interested. For more information, you can also go to our website, foxchicago.com. Nancy and Byron, it's one of those things, it's like, why didn't I think of that? It's iced, it's cold, you wrap it around, it fits perfectly.
It sounds like something you'd love to use at the end of the day.
Right, yeah. And
not just
the
for
old
injuries,
ice
but
packs,
just tired legs. It sounded great.
The old ice packs get so cold and watery, and they melt, and then you're like going back and forth.
Start saving up.
Thank you very much.
It's all going together. We'll keep on your
And what a hottie doctor. Thank you very much. Margaret Shortridge is coming up next on